Hello student, today we are starting with exercise number 4.2 pair of straight line 12th standard state board. Okay, the important topic for this exercise are, you already know the homogeneous equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. If the two lines are perpendicular, then the condition for that is a plus b is equal to 0, must be 0. If the lines are coincident, then h square minus ab is equal to 0 or h square is equal to ab. These are the conditions necessary for perpendicular and coincident line. If you want to find out the angle between the two lines, then it is given by tan theta is equal to modulus of 2 under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. Okay, now we will go to solve the problem. First problem, show that lines represented by this equation are perpendicular to each other. Now I will compare the coefficient. What is the value of a is 3, 2h is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to minus 3. For perpendicular line, what is the condition is a plus b is equal to 0. Now I will substitute the value. A plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. What will come here? 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Hence, the lines are perpendicular. Okay? This is very important problem. Perpendicular to each other. Now, in the second problem, what is given? Show that the line represented by this are coincident, means what you have to find out, h square is equal to ab. Now here a is 1, 2h is equal to 6, means h is equal to 3. Okay. Now b is equal to 9. For, write down the condition for coincident lines. What is the condition for coincident line? If h square is equal to ab. Okay. Now I will substitute the value. What I will get? 3 square is equal to 1 into 9. 3 square is 9 is equal to 9. Hence, the lines are coincident. Okay. This is proved. Line. Okay. Now we will go to solve the third problem. Find the value of k so that the lines are perpendicular to each other. Now I will write down the coefficient. A is equal to k, 2h is equal to 4, okay, and b is equal to minus 4. Now I know that what is the condition? They are perpendicular to each other. For the perpendicular line, what is the condition? A plus b is equal to 0. Now I will substitute the value. K plus minus 4 is equal to 0. What will come here? K minus 4 is equal to 0. After transferring, you will get the value of k. This is also very important problem for 2 mark, 1 mark. Okay. Now we will go to the question number 4. That is, find the theta when 3x square minus 4 root 3xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. Now I will compare this with homogeneous equation. What I will get? A is equal to 3. 2h is equal to minus 4 root 3. Okay. Now what is the value of h is minus 2 root 3. What is the value of b is 3. Okay. Now I know the formula. Tan theta is equal to tan theta is equal to modulus of 2 under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. Okay. Now I will substitute the value. What I will get? 2. What is the value of h square? 4 3 are 12. Okay. Now minus
Go.
A into b is 9. Okay. Now I will substitute a plus b is 6. Okay. Now what will come here? 2 under root of 3 upon 6. Now I can cancel this with this. Now this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. You already know. Then what will come here? 1 by root 3. Then tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. And when the tan theta is 1 upon root 3, theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay. You can write down this also, या तो pi by 6 also. Okay. These are the required answer. Okay. This one is the easy problem based on the formula. Only now we will go to the second problem for finding the theta 4x square plus 5xy plus 5 square is equal to 0. Now first I will compare the coefficient. 2h is equal to 5, b is equal to 1. So h is equal to 5 by 2. Now I will write down the formula. Tan theta is equal to modulus of 2 under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b.
Start.
Upon a plus b. Okay, now I
Go.
Now we will substitute the value. What will come here? Under root of h square means 25 upon 4 minus 4. Okay, upon a plus b is 5. Now I am writing here 5. Now what will come here? 2 under root of 25 minus 16 upon 4. Okay. Now upon 5. What will come here? 25 minus 16 is 9. Means root 3 will come here. So what will come here? 2 into 3 upon 2 upon 5 will come here. So this 2 will get cancelled. What I will get? 3 by 5 I will get. But this is not, you can transfer tan function.
Go.
Therefore tan theta is equal to 3 by 5. So theta is equal to, okay, I can write down tan inverse of 3 by 5. This is the required answer for the given problem. Now we are going to solve the question number 6. Angle between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square is equal to 0 are equal. Then show that 100h square minus ab is equal to a plus b whole square. Now I will find the tan theta for first line. What will
Start.
tan theta for the first line is the formula modulus of 2 under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. Okay, you know the formula. For the second line, tan theta is equal to, what will come here?
Start.
For the second line, I will write down here a is equal to 2, 2h is equal to minus 5, means h is equal to minus 5 by 2 and b is equal to 3. Now I will substitute the value here. H square is 25 upon 4 minus a into b is 6. Okay. Now a plus b, 2 plus 3 is 5. Now what will come here? Tan theta 2. You can substitute.
Start.
Now this tan theta 2 will come to be 2. Now by taking the LCM 6 4 is 24, 25 minus 24 is 1, 1 by 4 under root of upon 5. Okay. Now what will come here? 2 into 1 by 2 upon 5 will come here. Now this 2 will get cancelled with this here, with tan theta 2 is 1 by 5. Okay. Now what is the condition given? The tan theta are equal, means I can equate this equation.
Go.
Now I can equate equation 2 and 1. Okay. By the condition 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Now what I will do here, write down 2 under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b, okay, is equal to 1 by 5. Now what I will do here is squaring on both sides. What will come here? 2 square is 4. Now root will go So a square minus ab upon a plus b the whole square is equal to 1 by 25. Now I will cross multiply. So what will come here? 100 h square minus ab and is equal to a plus b the whole square. This is the required answer for the given problem. If you know the formula, then substitute the value, understand the problem, what is given, then you will get the answer very easily. Okay, now we will go to the problem number 7. Find the combined equation line passing through origin. Means start. Now we are going to solve the question number 7. Find the combined equation of the two lines passing through origin. Origin is important, means y is equal to mx. Means you have to find out the slope. And each of making an angle of theta 60 degree with the y-axis. Now I can consider theta 1 as 60 degree. So what will be theta 2 will be 120 degree. Okay. Now I can find out the slope. Tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree. Okay. Now what will be the slope? Will be root 3. This is your first slope. Now I can write down tan theta 2. Okay. Now this can be written as tan 120 degree. I already told you when is greater than 90, then convert it as 180 minus 60. Okay. This will come to be minus tan 60. Means what? That is equal to minus tan 60, and what is the value of this is minus root 3 is equal to m2. Okay. Now I can find out the equation y is equal to m1x. Now I will substitute. Start. Y is equal to m1x, y is equal to, I will substitute the value of m1 is root 3x. Now my equation will be root 3x minus y is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Now I will substitute value of m2 to find the equation of second line. Y is equal to minus root 3x. Now I will transfer here. So what I will get? Root 3x plus y is equal to 0. Okay. This is your second equation. Start. Now for combined equation, you have to multiply u into v is equal to 0. Now root 3x minus y. Okay. What is the value of v? Is root 3x plus y is equal to 0. I know the formula. A minus b, a plus b is a square. Okay. Minus b square. Okay. I will apply the formula. What I will get? 3x square minus y square is equal to 0. This is also very important sum.